For your next assignment for this project, you are going to find a TED Talk about your topic. So the first thing you found was a podcast, and now you're finding a TED Talk. So what I did is, for my topic are why do people confess to crimes they didn't commit? I just Googled TED Talk false confessions. And I found this TED Talk about why teens confess to crimes they didn't commit. It's by TED, it's a TED Talk. And I did find it on YouTube, which is perfectly fine. And so then I went in and did this assignment. And it is... first thing I want you to do is copy the link to your TED Talk so that I can access it if I need to. And then I put the title of my TED Talk, which is Why Teens Confess to Crimes They Didn't Commit. It's by Lindsay Malloy. It was done on July 24th, 2018, and it has 105,000 views. And so that's information that I needed to include here. So then as I watched and listened to the TED Talk, then I took some notes that I found helpful for my topic. And so I included those there. And then after I watched it, I decided what the speaker's main point was. I found that she had a couple of main points, and so I included those in there. And then ethos, when we've done something similar to this earlier in the year. So the ethos is, how does the speaker establish credibility? So what is it about her? Why do I believe her? Is she an expert? Why am I listening to her? Well, she comes right out and tells us that she's a forensic developmental researcher. And she also gives other credentials. So, okay, yes, she definitely has credibility. And then as she does her TED Talk, I was looking for, what does she do to sway me to believe what she is saying? Is she using pathos? Is she appealing to my emotions? Or is she using logos? Is she using more data, facts, and stats? And she definitely used logos because she had a lot of facts and stats. What argument did I find most compelling? That the police officers, while interrogating, could lie. I found that most compelling because it's just shocking that they aren't relying on actual facts. They already have a narrative, and they're just trying to fit that narrative versus getting facts to fit a case. It's like they already have a story. Now I'm trying to get everything to fit the story I already think I have. And then TED Talk presenters are known as effective speakers. Describe two things the speaker does well in terms of engaging the audience. She showed videos of an actual interrogation where you could see the police officers talking to a teenager and the tactics that they use to convince him to confess to something he didn't do. And then she gave a lot of stats, so it was really helpful for her to actually show the stats on the screen so that it wasn't too overwhelming with information. So that's what you're going to do for yours. You're going to find a TED Talk. If you can't find a TED Talk because some of your topics may not lend itself very well to that, if you can find a good YouTube video that is legit, right? It can't be Bob's Bargain Basement blog, video blog, right? It's got to be something that is legit, someone that has ethos, has credibility, then that's fine too. I'm going to trust your judgment. that it's going to be a legit source, because this is your topic. You've chosen to learn more about this topic, so make it worth your while. As always, let me know if you have any questions.